This is a demonstration of the Articulate Intelligence Oral Exam Voice Practice. This is a real-time conversational chatbot that functions as an oral examiner. Students can respond to stimulus-based topics and questions, and the AI oral examiner will prompt and speak to them naturally. This helps students prepare for the actual oral exam experience and trains them to answer questions with the correct mindset. Currently, the AI oral examiner supports English language at the PSLE standard. More languages, such as Chinese, and additional standards such as O-level, are being developed. The default topic list consists of PSLE questions from 2019 to 2025. Teachers can also add custom topics. To start a practice, select a topic and click on Start Voice Practice. The image and questions will appear below. For this demonstration, we will answer only the first question.
Do you think the child should be playing a game at this time? Why or why not?
I don't think the child should be playing a game on his mobile device at this time because he should be studying.
Can you explain why the child should be studying instead of playing games now?
I can see from the photo that he has a Primary 6 mathematics practice book on his table. This shows that he is a Primary 6 student preparing for the PSLE. And he should know that the PSLE is a very important examination as it determines his choice of secondary school. In addition, the timetable on his wall shows that at 3:30 p.m. he should be doing his homework, and he additionally has notes on the wall saying to be focused and not to forget, implying that distractions have been an issue for him in the past. So, given that he has been distracted before, he should definitely make an effort now not to be distracted by his games and his electronic devices and to be working on his homework at this time.
Do you like using electronic devices for your learning? Why or why not?
After the oral exam practice is completed, a graded report is generated automatically. The AI oral examiner provides personalized feedback based on the PEL structure. This includes the student's point, elaboration, examples, and link back. The report also highlights areas for improvement, helping students understand how to strengthen their answers. This allows students to improve consistently and build confidence for the actual oral examination.